We'll guide you through how to use Replit for Roblox development. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new project. In the template search bar, type Roblox to find the Roblox development template. Select the Roblox template to set it up for your project. This template provides a pre-configured environment that supports Roblox scripting. After selecting the template, you can customize your project by naming it and adding a description if you'd like. Click on Create Replit to launch your development environment. The interface will open with an editor where you can write your Lua scripts for Roblox. On the left panel, you'll see the directory structure, which includes folders and files that are part of your Roblox game project. You can edit existing scripts or create new ones by right-clicking inside the directory and choosing New File or New Folder as needed. The built-in code editor supports syntax highlighting and auto-completion for Lua, which makes coding a lot easier. To test your scripts, you need to download them and integrate them into Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio on your computer and load your game project. Then, in Roblox Studio, go to the View tab and make sure the Explorer and Properties panels are visible. In the Explorer panel, navigate to where you'd like to insert your script. Right-click and select Insert Object, then choose Script or Local Script based on your needs. Open the script you just created and copy the code from your Replit editor. Paste this code into the Roblox Studio script editor. Save your changes and run your game in Roblox Studio to see the scripts in action. Using Replit for Roblox development is a great way to manage your scripts and collaborate with others online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.